I just wanted to share a tool that I built recently, your personal knowledge base powered by AI. So the problem is simple. We all talk to a lot of people. Calls, Slack threads, documents, information comes in constantly, and most of it just quietly disappear. Before a meeting, you're trying to remember what's promised, what was decided, what's stuck. It's all written down somewhere, but pieces it together every time is painful. I got inspired by Andrei Karpathy's LLM wiki idea. Instead of asking an AI to reread raw documents every time, have it incrementally build and maintain a knowledge base. Context that compounds instead of getting lost. You drop your transcript or notes in, say ingest, and Claude extract everything: people, decisions, action items, open questions. It creates pages in Obsidian, cross-link them, and updates the dashboard. You just open Obsidian and read, and knowledge base keeps growing. After 20 or so sources, you have the full picture across everyone, every decision, everything that's stuck. So let me show how you can set up it under 5 minutes. Go to the Notion page. It's on Claude Cowork Education portal, personal project knowledge base page, and go to Get Started. Click on GitHub. You need to install Obsidian. It's a free tool for file editing and browsing, and Claude Code with your subscription. Let's assume you have both of those tools, the links provided on the Notion page or on the GitHub. So what we need to do with this template. So basically the whole template is just the 2 files, just actually one, this Claude MD. You can download it and save it somewhere on your computer, just create a new folder, or you can click code, download zip, and just open it and extract it somewhere. Then next step, we need to open Obsidian, open folder as a vault. It's downloads and open. A few additional steps that make your life easier is to install Claude Code wrapper or plugin for Obsidian, so you can chat with your knowledge base right within the Obsidian. So go to Settings, Community Plugins, browse. Find Brat. It's a plugin installer extension that you can use to install external plugins. Okay, we install it. It was quick. Then we go to Brat in Settings and find Beta plugin list. So add a beta plugin. And then we need just copy this link. It's a Claude Code wrapper for Obsidian. Add plugin. Okay, it's installed. We can click here, open Claudian, and you can see you have a Claude Code within the Obsidian. So it has access to all the files here, and you can chat with it, ask it to modify, or ask for anything. A few quick things that I would ask you to do to make your life easier. So go to Settings, enable R+1 million context window, and do the same for Sonnet. So it's you unlocking access to the more powerful models. Okay. So we copied the files, installed the Claude wrapper for Obsidian. Okay, now he asked me how it should be named. So just let it Max Wiki. Now Claude is going to set up all the folder structure, all the templates that will be used. So prepare everything for you to kickstart building your personal knowledge base. Okay, it's done. So the next step is to drop your files into Inbox folder. So the most important folder here is Inbox. You drop transcripts, notes, documents, Slack threads, whatever you want into Inbox as text files. It's the only folder that you need to add some files for this knowledge base. Sources is the folder where all the transcripts files are stored. So once you add file to inbox, processed by AI, and everything stored in sources. So it cleans up inbox automatically. Don't delete this folder because it's using as a golden source or source of truth for the AI, so it can reference and keep the original files. Workspace, it's your personal folder. You can create any files. You can ask agents to save it. For example, like your meeting preparations there. It's not indexed. Claude don't go to this folder on its own, only when you ask. So it's your sandbox that you can use whatever you want. And next, decisions. It will store here all the important decisions that were discussed. So it's like to giving you the whole picture of what's going on. The same for people. It's containing the information about people that you're communicating with, short details, cards, all the open questions, all the communication history. And workstreams are the same. So again, it's your sub-projects that you're working with. Index, it's automatically updates all the files within your knowledge base. It's containing all the information about any updates. And overview is your main file, your daily dashboard. So it's showing the summary, key people that you interact with, updates for this week, active work streams, action items, questions, and so on. And README. We can always open README, read it carefully, and there is some best practices, commands how to use it. If you have any questions, you can ask Claude, or you can just open the README file and get more information about it. So what I'm going to do is to add a demo file to inbox and ask Claude to ingest it. Okay, I've added one file. It's transcript from my meeting last year. And let's ask Claude to ingest. When you just type in ingest, it will scan the inbox folder and ingest all the files from here. Or if you don't want to share a specific file, you can just type ingest and copy paste right within the chat box. So it can ingest files directly what you provide, or text or instructions or updates. Okay, give it a few minutes to process. So Claude read through the whole thing and showed me what it found. It identified decisions that were made, work streams, questions, action items, updates to log file, and proposed updates to the overview. So it's before applying it to the knowledge base, it's asking, should it proceed and if everything is correct. So let's answer yes. Now it will create all the pages. It's created all pages and then updated our dashboard and then moved sources to sources folder. So it found decisions, rationale about the workload that we discussed. It's found open questions, information about the project that was discussed. As you can see, all the files, it's cross-reference, cross-linked. For example, like if there is a name, you can click on it and go to the person. It's having the full context and it's really easy to navigate. If you have any questions regarding your knowledge base, you can just type in questions here right within the chat. Okay, and give you a real detailed summary with all the details. If you want to save it, you can just type in and it will create a file within the workspace folder. As I mentioned, you can create files on your own, ask agents to create it, use it as your temp folder. Second important tip, don't edit any files except inbox when you're adding new files or workspace manually. So if you need any update, for example, if the task completed, ask Claude to update. It will keep updating the log, keep updating all the file changes, so it's really important to work directly with the Claude for any changes. If you would like to customize, it's more than welcome, and I would actually eager you to customize it to make it really tight with your personal case, because like right now it's generic. How to do it? Just tell what you need to update, how you would like to change, maybe new items you would like to add, or maybe different angles that you would like to add. For example, more than just decisions, people, questions, and work streams. Just ask and it will automatically update the instructions, and you can create the knowledge base that personally yours. And last thing, you can also connect external tools, for example, your Gmail, working with your task tracker. There is almost infinity ways how you can extend it and make it really useful tool for you. I think that's the whole demo. Would be happy to answer any questions.